Hey guys, Christian988 back here with another video, and I got a Xbox One S with Forza Horizon 3. I wanted an Xbox forever, but instead I got a PS4 just because most of my friends had a PS4. But now most of my friends have an Xbox. And I got a ton of money for my birthday, so I decided to spend it all on an Xbox with the game that I wanted most. Because I like cars, and it's Forza Horizon 3, a car game. So, and as you can see, I went very crazy with the Sharpie, like the last time I got to use Sharpie. So, let's get into it. I love that sound. Okay, and then remember, kids, always cut away from me. There's one. And then that's two. And then that looks so cool. Got stuff bubble wrap. My brother will go crazy with that soon. Okay, so it's 4K Blu-ray and 4K Ultra HD HDR. And then it's 1 terabyte Xbox One S from Forza Horizon 3. It comes with the actual game copy. Sorry about the shadow. So I'm gonna get this thing. Gosh, this thing's heavy. And this thing's 40% smaller. So the original Xbox, I'm glad I didn't get that because that thing would be heavy. So now, where did my knife go? There it is. Okay, show me that. And actually, before I do that, on the back it's got some game, Gears of War, I'm pretty sure, Forza, and then some other game that I don't know. I don't know much Xbox games, so okay. So okay, did I get that on? Yeah, there's that. There's that. Set that off to the side. Wait, hold on. Is it just... No, okay. I thought it was just a little top layer or something that came off, so there's stuff on the top. Yes, there is. Okay, knife, come back. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. I'm not sure really how to open this. I think it might just be a cover thing on top. Actually, okay, I'm sorry, guys. Never opened one of these before. So I'm just gonna cut away, figure out how to open it, and then to be back. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I figured out as simple as just pulling the top thing out. I am very stupid. So you open these, and off to the side right here, you got a little squished down tab. That kind of sucks. Okay, gotta pull it up. There we go. Okay, so got one thing right here. It's the power cable, which does not have a giant power brick or whatever. I'm very happy about that. I hated that about my 360. Then you open this up. You got HDMI. Then you have the new Xbox One S controller. You gonna let me open it? No, you're not. Okay. There we go. Okay. So it comes in white, and oh gosh, this thing looks so much better in person. Oh, and it's got textured back and all that. That feels really good. I like this. So that's the controller. It's got bumpers, triggers. Okay. So put that off to the side. And then now, what everybody's been waiting for. There's something else in here. Oh yes, they included batteries. That's good. Thank you, Xbox or Microsoft or whatever. Oh yeah. Yes, there's one more thing before the thing we've all been waiting for. Okay, so there's. Oh, I'm not gonna show that code. There's Forza Horizon 3 with the code on it. Not gonna show that. because I want my 14-day free trial. Okay, got those up. So here it is, all wrapped up, and then just the sounds. Here it is, the Xbox One S. And it's got this big thing, but then you come down here, you can barely see it. It's like really cool how they did that. I don't know why, but I find that fascinating. Got a USB port there, got physical home button, physical eject button. Then on the back you got neat, very neat stuff, whatever. Oh yeah, HDMI and USB. So, and the good thing about having the USB on the front is if you want to plug something in, like a charger for your phone while you're just sitting there playing a game, you can just plug it in right there. You don't have to reach around the back. Then here's like a little pairing button for your controller, which I'm gonna have to do that. Sorry. So that pretty much concludes it. It's very big. Lots of stuff. Lots of trash. Is there anything else? No. Okay. Then, so, overall, I can't wait to do this. Just peeling that off now. Can't wait to play with this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.